Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your ASUS ROG phone free, at first you have to open menu, then find sound recorder. Next we have to accept the permission that pops on our screen, and to start the record we have to click right here, and as you can see right now our device is recording sounds, so we can finish by tapping right here on the pause button, and then we can check the quality of this record by clicking done and then tapping right here. Right now our device is recording sounds, so we can finish by tapping right here on the pause. So as you can hear, the quality is very good. I think there's one of the best smartphone to record sounds and also to play sounds, because the speakers are amazing. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!